Hi, welcome to the Pippa Knot tutorial. I'm going to start with a 1.1mm pure copper wire, clean uncoated. There we bend a bail, first the bail and then a pretty teardrop shape. You have to adjust with your thumb as you go along so that it's an even shape. Just use your judgment. Then you wind around the back of the bail to make the first round. It goes at the back. You'll see you can just adjust it with your fingers, always going for that perfect shape. Around the back and into the next round, each time a little bit smaller so that you're fitting it within the larger one, becomes smaller and smaller and working towards the middle where you have the last loop. You'll be able to see the pretty herringbone building up on the bail front. There we go. Wind it around, just using your judgment to make a really pretty shape. And it's coming up for the next round and around. Going to go around the back of the bail again, round to the front. It's all very precise and careful, but you're using your fingers and your judgment just to see how the shape is building up. Take your pliers and press gently on the herringbone to mesh the wires together. Otherwise it's a little bit disconnected. Going into the next round, this shape just builds up and you actually can use a longer piece of wire if you want more detail, or a short piece for a few loops. Coming around, and soon we're going to put a pretty bead onto that last wire. I'm going to use Chrysocolla, which is gorgeous turquoise. Okay, time for a coffee break. You're doing well. And now we've put our beads onto the back of the tail, so the tail has some Chrysocolla and the last loop has the Chrysocolla bead on it. And we tuck the end of the tail around and turn it into a small hook, which hooks onto the bottom loop. And this helps to hold the whole structure together and makes it strong. So you don't have any little flyaway loops bending as you wear the pendant. You want it to be a strong unit. Pretty, very nice. Love this. And the last thing to do now is to bend the bail. You take your round nose pliers and roll that bail, that long shape turns into the bail. And after that you're going to put on a cord or a chain, and voila, it is done. It's beautiful, and there's so many variations. As you can see in the background, I have put on cherry quartz and beads. You can thread beads on, and there are a myriad amount of pieces of beautiful jewelry that you can make from this one technique. I hope you had fun. Bye bye.